everyone, Courtney here from Pines and Prairies Land Trust. I know many of you are looking forward to attending the guided birding excursions at the Colorado River Refuge this spring that were canceled because of the coronavirus. We want to scratch your birding itch a little by telling you more about birding surveys and showing you what one looks like. Birds are key indicator species because they are sensitive to changes in their ecosystems. So collecting bird data is a scientific way to gauge changes in the ecosystem over time. Pines and Prairies uses a point count survey method. Surveys are conducted roughly the same week and time of day each year to collect data on wintering and breeding bird populations. Points are set up roughly every half a mile because that's how far away a person can adequately hear birds. And in a bird survey conducted by experienced birders, the majority of birds documented are by sound. Experienced birders can even identify birds by their chirps, not just their songs. Weather data is collected at the beginning and end of each survey, and when the birder reaches each point, they set a timer and count birds for 3 minutes. Birds observed outside of the 3 minutes are also noted as incidental species. These guidelines help ensure data is random enough so that it can be used to make unbiased observations about ecosystem health and to share data so that others can find trends in bird populations. Our amazing bird experts, Louise, Kathy, and Anna, made a short video for you during their birding survey at Billig Ranch last month. Keep watching to learn about how they completed the survey and what birds they saw.
So we normally have specific checkpoints that we do twice a year, and at that checkpoint we stop for 3 minutes and listen and look for any birds that we see or hear and document those. That's the information that Pines and Prairie Land Trust keeps. Our winter survey is usually going to be birds that are wintering in the area or resident birds like you see at your feeder. Cardinals, chickadees, titmice. And then the wintering birds like chipping sparrows, certain sparrows. Then our summer or spring survey actually is usually in May, which means we'll again get the resident birds, the birds you see all year. And then you'll get the nesting birds like the painted buntings, ruby-throated hummingbirds, the birds that are only here during the breeding season. And occasionally we'll also see migratory birds in May, the ones who are headed north. So that's what we're keeping track of twice a year, and we've been doing it for quite a few years now.
I think we started in 2017. It's our first year.
Okay.
Okay. So we're heading from spot number 3 to spot number 4 along the fence line here at Billig Ranch near Page. All right. Onward. So this is number 5?
Yes, we're going to go ahead and start it.
Okay. 3-minute timer.
I had
Cardinal.
I had 2. Yes, I heard 2. The white-eyed vireo. Yeah.
White-eyed vireo.
That also.
Carolina wren.
Carolina wren. Yeah.
And a tufted titmouse.
Yeah. Oh, good. I thought I heard a titmouse.
Mm-hmm.
And then before we started the timer, there was the roadrunner. Did y'all hear that?
Oh no! Ah.
It was over here
Before the timer.
before the timer, though.
Uh-huh. Okay. So, we have finished our 11 points, our counts at Billig Ranch today. We started at 7 and it's almost noon. We had a total of 38 species. We counted both at the 11 points, and then we also keep a record of birds we see in between the points. Anna keeps an eBird list and we'll submit that, and Kathy will disseminate the information and send a report to Melanie, which goes in the files and the archives of the Pines and Prairies Land Trust. So we do these in the spring and then again in the winter, and hope that it helps in our conservation efforts.
Thanks for watching. We hope you learned a little more about bird surveys and that you will join us for our guided birding hikes in the fall. Please sign up for our newsletter so you'll be the first to know when these events are back on. And stay tuned for more videos from the field.